Hello traders and welcome back to our Master Yoda Trading Academy weekly market outlook. Hope you've been enjoying the videos. I appreciate all the comments and all the feedback which you're giving to me, and I'm trying to provide you as much value as possible to help you succeed in a much bigger way. Okay, so guys, hope that you are watching our weekly market outlooks because I'm giving you the free money and free setups. Okay, you can make a tons of money if you will just follow us, or you can at least learn something from our analysis. Okay, so if you were watching our outlooks, you have seen that DXY plays really nicely those weeks. Okay, first the price has went down. Okay, we were anticipating there the correction. That correction will confirm the continuation of the downside, but that didn't confirm over there. And then the price has started aggressively pushing to the upside. So what does this mean? That has shown us clearly that we will go and tag at least that high. Okay, I think that if you will check the two previous weekly market outlooks, you will find out exactly what I was talking about. So what we will do in the upcoming week, we will just simply wait for those price actions and we will start trading that wave. Okay, this wave is still coming, or at least that wave. Okay, and we will, after having that wave, we will have to be careful because the price can completely reverse and then we will go tagging previous high. Okay, if that scenario will plays out with that correction, okay, you will have the similar wave like here, you get it there, exactly the similar one. Okay, if that will happen over there, you will take that buy and you will be able to trade that wave to the upside and take that profit. Okay, but I'm not anticipating that wave will appear over there, so rather sticking to your sell setups. Okay, I will be watching and anticipating that wave. Okay, this will be my wave which I will be rely on. Okay, so there you have also a posted or published idea on my trading view. If you will go under the DXY idea I have shown you there, okay, watch for price action on 5 minute time frame before selling. Okay, we have one price action over there. I took the trade and I already closed them on break even because it didn't continue as we were anticipated. Okay, so what does this mean? You should not have a losing trade over there and the prices keep pushing higher. Okay, that was being described in previous weekly market outlooks. Okay, so here I was anticipating and that didn't. Okay, if I will watch this, there was the reaction which we're anticipating. Okay, I was watching that the price will hold that. Okay, give me some correction over there. Okay, then I will take the trade. But the price, it didn't. It just reversed in the next few hours. Okay, so I didn't have any confirmation that the trend will reverse now. Okay, so I'm still waiting and anticipating this move. Okay, and I will not stop. Okay, there are some dummies which are spamming under my ideas. Okay, they have completely no sense of direction, or they have no skill about trading. Okay, so they should learn and hope one day they will learn how to trade. Okay, so let's go. I have shown you what we're anticipating, so there is the similar wave. Okay, there was the nice wave with the Euro USD which went down really nicely. So what you will do now, you should not be taking any you should not be taking any buys or any sells from the spot where it is right now. Okay, you will wait and simply just watch that chart. Okay, that wave is over which you were anticipating the sell. Now we will start watching the buy. Okay, but the buy, it's not ready yet. Okay, just watch your lower time frame. Okay, and you will find the price action, then you can take that trade to the upside. Okay, that will be really nice and fast move which will grow your account pretty well. Okay, so let's focus this week on price actions for buy. Okay, price can also go down, tagging that bottom. Okay, but we are not interested into that move. Okay, if you remember what I have shown you on DXY can, okay, sorry, DXY can go make that move and then continue to the upside. So there it will be the same. There we can have a small short-term wave to the upside, and then if the DXY will start to push higher, like I have shown you, okay, to tagging the previous high, this will go and tag that trend line, then we will start to buy your USD, okay. But I'm not watching for that move, okay. I think that this move will just explode to the upside, and DXY will start to fall from the spot where it is right now, okay. So keep your eyes on and watch for your buy setups. There will be a nice trade to the upside. USD chief. Okay, as you can see that there is the correction which is forming, but for me it's already completed, but it's not confirmed yet. Okay, so we will be sticking to a lower time frame. Okay, first we will be watching that wave, and if that will be aggressive around the trend line, we will be easily hold it, and we will watch the previous bottom. Okay, if that will be aggressive, we will hold the trades. If not, we'll take our profit off. Okay, so yes, watch your sell setups in the upcoming week. New Zealand USD, okay, it plays out exactly like we were anticipating. So this move is over now, okay. So those who are new with on our weekly market outlook, just go and check previous one, and you will find that I have anticipated that move. Okay, so what we'll do now, nothing, okay, you cannot do nothing at the moment. You will have to wait for the correction. After having the correction, you will take the trade to the downside, okay. There could be a really nice trade, but without having that correction, you should not be watching for that wave, okay. that can that should give you at least that correction before going down, okay. It's so simple. But from the spot where it is right now, you cannot take buy or any sell, okay. If you have a nice price action, you can take that buy, take off your profit. Don't anticipate there the setup will go 1 to 5 or 1 to 3, okay. If you take that buy 1 to 1 and take off your profit, okay, then start watching for the sell. So that's all what you will do on New Zealand USD. Okay, USD cat, we were watching and anticipating that move. That move is also over now, okay. Take off your profits from your buys, okay. We will not probably continue to the upside, and I already take off my profits from USD cat, and I will watch now how that will plays out, okay. This is my first anticipated move, and if that will be a corrective move, there we will be anticipated one more wave to the upside. If not, then I will have a really nice sell, which it will just continue to the downside, okay. So yeah, just keep your eyes on. I had there are many sells this week, okay. I was the seller from here, then I take take a break even trade, then I was once again a seller, and I had a break even trade once again. So I will stop it now, and I will watch clearly for my price action before triggering my sells. Okay, but this will be my first move, which I will be anticipating, and if this will be an aggressive move, I can take more sells to the downside. If not, that will be a corrective move, and this will simply just go to the upside. Okay, if you watch a daily time frame, you can see that we can go a little bit higher. It can even go tagging that high, and then we will go down. Okay, but it's not yet confirmed. You will rely on that 4 hour correction, and you will watch it how it will behave. Then you will take a decision, and then you will decide where to go. New Zealand Chief, okay, wonderful trade. Okay, it plays out perfectly. Okay, and that should give you a really nice money. For those who are holding those sells from spots like there, hold it, okay, and watch how that correction plays out. Okay, there's the correction which is preparing, okay, but I see that there it will be a much bigger correction. I will just move that trend line. Okay, so what we are doing, we are anticipating something like that over there. Okay, so it can go tagging that trend line, then we will go down. Okay, so this will be our last sell, but from the spot where it is right now, I do not recommend that you will take any sells, because the price can go tag that bottom, then it will go up tagging that high, then it will go down. Okay, so you have to be skilled enough if you would like to take those sells. Okay, don't just blindly jump into the chart. If you're not skilled enough, wait how that correction will behave. Then if the price will stop there, give your price action, or they take that trade to the downside. Okay, there is the similar wave like there. Okay, so there's a nice money coming. When the price will hit the previous bottom, you will take off your profit and wait for the buy. Okay, so let's go forward. New Zealand cat, wonderful trade also. Okay, there was the impulse, there was the correction, and yes, the price has went down. So what you can do now, you cannot do anything. Okay, this is the spot where you can just simply watch. Okay, this is not for selling, and this is not even ready for a buy. Okay, you will watch for the price action. Okay, if you will have any price action for the buy, you can take that buy. Okay, but this is the short term buy. That will be 1 to 1, and you will remove your profit. Or if you will grab that buy, you will easily move it on break even and see how that will plays out. If this will be aggressively breaking to the upside, you will keep that trade from there, and you will have a really amazing trade. Okay, if not, you will take it off or take it 1 to 1 and enjoy your profits. Okay, but you will see at the moment there is nothing. Okay, if you watch even 5 minute time frame, I don't see that there is any signs of the reaction. So this is keep pushing lower, 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 and we can keep forming that scenario. Okay, it's not ready, and it's also too late if you would like to take sells. Okay, if you want to be a seller, you should be a seller from the spots like there, and your sells was over from there. Okay, this is the spot where you should not be selling, because the selling becomes so risky, and your risk to reward ratio, it's also a crap, and it's not worth of taking any trades. Okay, so hope guys that you understand that, and yeah, just watch for that, but it's not ready. Wait for the price action. Aussie New Zealand, okay, wonderful, it went up. So what we will do now, price, we will watch how the price will behave over there, and we will take that sell. Okay, but price is not ready at the moment. You will watch a 50 minute time frame. Okay, or maybe it is ready. Okay, that can just continue to going down, but be careful when the price will be tagging that bottom. It can go up, tag that trend line, then we will start it to fall aggressively. Okay, so be careful. We are we are having something like that. Okay, so price can give you a correction over there. If it will give you a lower time frame, a nice correction, you can take the trade. Be careful how it will plays out, or wait for new high, then take the trade. Okay, be careful. I will not be jumping into that trade so fast. I will just simply wait for my correction. Here in New Zealand, okay, let me see that on 4 hour how it's playing out. Okay, for those who are listening to me, they took the buys from the previous weekly market outlook. Okay, if you have a bigger capital to trade with, okay, just hold that buy, because that buy can just extend itself. Okay, there it will be a correction, and then we will continue to the upside. Okay, the question now, it will be just, let me clean my chart a little bit. Okay, let's see how that will plays out. Okay, that can go there, stop there, going down, stop there. Okay, and that will give you a wave to the upside. Okay, so keep your eyes on how the price will behave over there. If you will stop there, great, amazing. Okay, and then we will be waiting for the price to stop around previous bottom, give you price action over there. Then this will be a wonderful trade to the upside. Okay, why? Because we will go and completely go tagging that high. Okay, that would be a nice trade to the upside. So see how that will plays out and take the trade to the upside. Euro Aussie. Okay, same wave. Okay, if you took that buy, great. You did a great profit. You have a nice profit. Okay, if not, simply wait that on lower time frame. How that will correct? Let me see a 15 minute time frame. Okay, let's see. This will probably give you something like that. Give you a bigger correction. Then you can take that trade. Okay, that trade will go at least tagging that high. So like I said, something like that. It can give you something like this. Then it will go up, tagging that high, then it will go down, tagging that bottom, then you will take the trade. Okay, so we will be in a sideways movement for a couple of weeks, probably in a week. Next week we will be in a sideways movement. So why sideways? Because we will be in that price range. Okay, we will be trading in this range, so you have to be careful. Okay, but you can take that buy and see how that will plays out. If the price will be aggressive around there, great, you have a wonderful trade which you can keep it. Okay, if not, just see and watch it how it will plays out. Okay, that will definitely go up. It can even go a little bit higher, tagging that bottom, and then it will go up. That will give you a 4-hour correction, and 4-hour correction will go really aggressively to the upside. Okay, so it means that we are going to tagging that high. So your eyes are on, and I hope that you will know what to do. Just keep your eyes on 15-minute time frame, like I said. Okay, watch that, watch this correction. Don't take that sell. Watch it. If that will hold there, take that buy, and you have a wonderful trade. Okay, so even better, pull the trend line over there when that correction will be over, and watch for the breakout. If there it will be a strong breakout, take the trade to the upside. Okay, you will have a wonderful trade. Okay, let's go forward. Aussie cat, let's see how that has played out really well. Okay, hope guys you are watching those weekly market outlooks. You can learn really a lot and also earn a lot of money from those weekly market outlooks. So what we'll do now on Aussie cat, we are really close to the previous bottom. So if you will catch on 5 minute any sell, you can take the sell, immediately move on break even, and see how that trade will plays out. That trade will not go aggressively to downside. I don't see that behavior. I see that this it will go stop there, tagging that trend line. Okay, or it can even go tagging that high, give you a bigger correction, and to go down. Okay, so let's see 5 minute. What do we have there? What kind of the behavior do we have there? I see that this it will go something like that, give you quite bigger correction, then it will go down. That will be probably a 15-minute correction. Okay, something like that. It will go down, it will go up. Okay, it will give you a sell from there. That could be your selling spot. Okay, and you can take that trade to the previous bottom. Okay, your previous bottom is there. I will just mark it. Okay, this is your trade, something like that. So yeah, but wait for this. After having that correction, that will confirm that you can take the sell. Okay, you can watch, but without having a price action over there where I have already shown you, don't take the trade. Okay, it's so easy. Put your stop loss, something like that. So let me show you how we will trade it. So that could be some educational stuff for you guys for the upcoming weeks. Okay, the price will go doing something like that. Then it will go like that. Let's see, price it will go down, it will go up. Okay, so what you will do, or it can go even higher. Sorry, price it will go a little bit higher. Price it will do something like that. You will watch for that entry. Okay, stop loss will be something like this. First, oh sorry. So okay, you let it go to go down, you will be watching how it is going up. Okay, that wave to the upside should not be aggressive. Okay, that should be a corrective wave, and that should go really slowly with couple of candles. That should not reach that top in a 2 or 3 candles. We need at least 20 candles to reach that top, and after having a stop or after having a price action over there, you can take the trade. And when that will start to go, when the price will hit the previous bottom, you will move the stop loss on break even. And if that it will be aggressive around the previous bottom, you can extend your target, and your target is 1 to 2. Okay, this is your target. You will watch it how it will plays out. Okay, you can also do something like that, pull your trend line like that. Okay, and watch how that will plays out. Let me just okay, if the price will be aggressive over there, simply ignore it. Okay, don't watch for sell, and wait the price to reach the trend line, and then having a price action over there, then take the trade. Okay, that can even give you a much bigger setup or much better setup. Okay, that will be your setup, and you will be watching it. So you will be ignoring, and if that will fall down, simply just ignore it. Okay, you are not interested to taking the cells from the spot where it is right now, ignore it, and this is not your target. Okay, you can see you should not be looking for that small move. You will be only losing money if you will watch that small move. Okay, so if that will happen, that scenario to just go straight down, you will watch for the price action over there, then you will take the trade to the upside. You will go and tag that high. Okay, this will be your next wave. Okay, so next buy, it will be much bigger than this sell. So you have to see if that will plays out. Great. Okay, we'll go up, down, then you will watch. If you will have a price action over there, you will take the trade to the upside. Okay, so I will show you. You will take the buy. You will put your stop loss something like 35 pip. Okay, but after having a price action, don't jump into the trade. Okay, just a second, guys. Just a second. Oh, sorry. Okay, so you will watch that. That will be just a wonderful if the price will just go correctly to tracking that trend line. Wonderful, wonderful setup, wonderful risk reward ratio. Will earn almost 1 to 3, 1 to 2 and half, 2.5. Okay, so that will be a nice trade. Okay, if not, if that will go in straight line, okay, just wait and wait for the next price action. Next price action will give you that trade. Okay, that will be wonderful trade. That will be just a 4-hour correction. Okay, if I will show you how that 4-hour correction looks like. Okay, this is small cell, and the bigger cell will look like that. Okay, that's your bigger pattern. Okay, I hope that these things are clear for you, and that will also be something like that. Okay, so keep your eyes and be patient while trading that Aussie Chief. What do we have there? The prices keep pushing lower. Okay, but I do not recommend you to jump into the trade without having a setup. So let's see, 15 minutes. What do we have there? The price is holding under the trend line. That's great. Okay, but I don't like it. Okay, just don't take that setup because this behavior doesn't looks good, and you should not be a seller while having that strong reaction over there. Okay, so leave it. Aussie Chief, it's not the trade which you will be trading and watching in the upcoming week. Okay, there's the Aussie USD also. Okay, we had a nice reaction previous week for the upside. We take the buys, but I ended up with some profit, and some of the trades are on break even. So what we'll do now, we will wait for the exactly same scenario here. Okay, so let's see what we will be anticipating. That's what we'll anticipate, but price is not ready yet. Okay, if you will watch on 5 minutes, what do we have? Oh, it's getting ready. Okay, this could be a first reaction for the upside. Okay, so let's see, you can even, sorry, you can even pull the trend line like that and see how that will start to push higher. Okay, but don't take any risk taking entries. Risk take entries are not ready to take them from here. Okay, only breakout entries will be good from that spot. Okay, why? Because the price can, if you will be taking a risk taking entry, sorry, the price can go even a little bit lower and then it will go up. So like I said, we need to watch that 15-minute zigzag. Okay, so let me just delete this. Okay, this is what you will be watching, how that will plays out for the upside. Okay, so let's go catch chief. What do we have there? The price is pushing higher, higher, higher. Okay, can we take a buy there? Let me see. Taking a buy from the spot where it is right now, it's quite risky. Why? Because if we watch a bigger structure, we can go even lower. Okay, so if we watch a 5 minute, so what do we have for 5 minute? 5 minute is giving us a buy. Okay, if that will go slowly back to the trend line, that will give us a buy setup. If this will aggressively break through the trend line, correct under the trend line, okay, that will confirm that we can take the sell. Okay, so decision is yours, and you'll have to wait what the chart will give you. Here, chief, what do we have there? The price is in the middle of nowhere, and I do not recommend you to taking any sells. Wait for the price to tag the previous bottom and then watch to take a buy. Okay, I do not recommend you to take the sell. Let me see that 15-minute time frame. Okay, nope, the price will go down, tagging the bottoms, and then it will start to react and going higher. So I do not recommend you to take the sell. Stick to that move after tagging that bottom. Okay? Hope the things are clear for you. Euro cat, what do we have there? Euro cat can start to push higher. Okay? Why? Because as you can see that we are having a corrective move over there. Okay, this is the corrective move, which is going slowly back to our trend lines, and that will start to push higher at any time soon. Okay, if not, that will just aggressively break the downside, and we are not interested into that trade. Okay, so if you watch a 1 hour time frame, let me see. Okay, you can see that this wave, it's not aggressive for the downside. We will see the price can just go like that, give you a sell setup, it will go down, breaking that bottom, okay, or even tagging that trend line, then it will start to push higher really aggressively. Okay, so I would rather watch for the buy. Okay, that doesn't show me any sells. Okay, if that will break down, okay, I will miss that sell because I'm not interested to sell from the spot where it is right now. Okay, this is also not good for taking a breakout entry. Why? Because if that will break down, it can just spike down and take you out with a losing trade order like that. So this is not a spot for selling. Spot for the selling will be around that high or around that trend line. Okay, so let's see, and watch it on 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. Okay, there is no sell setup and not even a buy setup. So okay, wait. The price can do something like that. So what that will tells us? That will tells us we are going down one more last time. Going down. It can also form a channel over there. Let me just show you what. Okay, like that. Okay. So this is our anticipated move. Correction over there, we will simply ignore it. Don't take the sell. Ignore that sell, watch for the buy and see how that will start to push higher. Okay? Similar wave like this. Everything together. But like I said, it's not ready to going higher. XHUSD, the silver. Silver is trying to push lower. Okay? So we can have a bit bigger correction. It can go taking the trend line, it will go down, okay, and then it will go up. So what does this mean? We will stay sideways for a couple of more weeks. Okay, as you can see that we can do something like that, going that trend line, and then we'll go down, taking that bottom, then we'll going up. Okay, so let's see 15 minutes. What do we have there? Okay, the 15-minute is trying to push lower. Okay, that can go give you something like that. It can go even tagging that bottom and then going up. There is no setup for me, and I will stay away from it. It's not clear enough. Okay, so especially for those who are new to forex trading, stay away. Okay, you can end up with a losing trade because that could become a really tricky correction, and it can take a money from you. Gold, okay, the gold is trying to push higher. Okay, as you can see, we are pushing higher, and I will watch for the sell from the spot right there. Okay, price is not ready yet. So for those who would like to take some risk, they can take the buy after having a correction. I'm not interested in taking that buy. Okay, guys. So let me show you a 15-minute time frame. Okay, so what we will be watching, we will watch something like that. Okay, after having that correction, the price will start to push higher. But like I said, I will not be interested into that small move. For you who would like to take the risk, watch that, put your stop loss below that spike. Okay, that will be your spike. This is your target. Tagging the previous trend line is your target. But like I said, if there it will be a strong candles which will appear over there, you will not watch for that buy. Okay, you want the price will go slowly, 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 tag that trend line. Okay, that will give you some kind of correction like this, and then it will pushing higher. That can also give you a flat correction. Okay, going down and then up. Okay, so keep your eyes on, but I will be rather sticking to that move. Okay, after tagging the trend line, I will watch for the price action. My stop loss will be somewhere like that. My first previous target will be previous bottom. Okay, so if you watch on 4 hour, what is my target? Okay, this will be, oh sorry, this will be my trade. Okay, and I will be simply ignoring you. You can take that buy if you feel comfortable. You can take that trade, but I will not. Okay, I would rather watch and wait for that setup. I have a time, and yeah, I'm not rushing into the trades. So see how that will plays out. I will also try to post that on TradingView, so you guys will have it on my TradingView profile. USDN. Okay, so what do we have there? The price is pushing higher, 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 and as it was aggressive over there, it can even go tagging previous high. So let's take a look on 15 minutes. What do we have there? If the price will go correctively tagging that high, okay, if that will go slowly, slowly, slowly like that, stop there. Okay, let me just, if that will give you something like that, stop there. You can take that sell. Okay, after having a price action, then you will take that sell, but be careful when the price will hit the previous bottom, immediately move on break even. Why? Because it can start to push higher. Okay, let me show you something like that. Okay, you will be able to watch for that sell. If this will go slowly, slowly, give you a price action. Okay, this will be your first target. If this trade will be aggressive, okay, great. You have a nice trade to the downside. Okay, this is your trade and you have a nice trade. If not, this it will just start to aggressively reversing. We are going to tag that high. Okay, we are going to tagging this high, and this is your next spot to watch for your sells. I will not be taking any buys. I'm not interested to buy. Why I'm not interested to buy? As you know that I'm watching the USD index to going down. Okay, and the USD index to going down is my main reason why I'm not watching there to take a buy. Okay, I'm just simply ignoring every buy which will appear on USD pairs. Okay, so let's move forward. New Zealand yen. Okay, that one is pushing lower, lower, lower. Okay, taking any sells, I do not recommend you. Okay, if you are into the sell from spot like here, okay, or here, those spots are good for your sells, but I don't recommend that you will take any sells from the spot where it is right now. Okay, wait it to tagging that bottom, give you some price action or buy setup, take the trade to the upside, and this is your spot where you will be watching again for your sell. Okay, the sell is really big. Okay, and after having that bigger correction, the price will be going and tagging the previous bottom. Okay, so that big correction will give us a really nice setup, but I don't think that we are ready to going down now. Okay, that will stop. Watch for your buy. Okay, then take the sell. Okay, that's so easy. Don't rush into the sell. That will not go into the straight line. And if it will go, just don't care. It will give you a setup a little bit later. Okay, Aussie yen, same scenario. Okay, it will go down and then give you a flat correction, then it will go down. Okay, can you take the sell? Let's see. We're in the middle of nowhere. No, you should not be taking the cells. Why? Because this can go even higher. Okay, let me show you something like that. that can go tagging that high, giving you a flag over there. That will be just a 4-hour flag, and this it will go down. Okay, this is the reason why you should not be trading from the spot right there for a sell. Okay, and as you can see that there's also not a sell setup at the moment. Okay, this is much more a buy setup that can go give you something like that, then it will go down. Okay, so be careful how that will plays out, and I'm not interested in taking that buy. Okay, but there is the buy setup which is in the making. Okay, let's take a look on 5 minutes. Okay, it will go down, then it will start breaking higher, but like I said, I'm not interested. That can just give you a bigger correction and it will go down. Okay, so be careful. What I will do, I will wait for the tagging that high, then I will start watching for sell. And that can even go tagging that bottom, give you a bigger flat, then it will go down. So watch your lower time frame and see how that will plays out. You can also draw a trend line over there to see how strong will that become. Okay, so like I've shown you, come on, if this will give you a buy which will stop over there, what that will tells us, we are going down, tagging previous bottom, then we are going up, tagging previous high, and then what, we are going down finally. Okay, that makes sense. And if that will aggressively break to the upside, great, just get ready for your sales from the spot somewhere there. Okay, make sense? Who guys, you are understanding what I'm talking about? Cadien, what do we have there? Cadien, let's see. Stay away from it. Okay, that's not the chart which you will be trading in the upcoming week. Okay, why? Because that can easily fall from the spot where it is right now, and if the price will go taking that trend line, great, then you will be watching for the sell. But from the spot where it is right now, you cannot do anything. Simply watch and wait what the price will do. Chief yen, okay, I have taken those sells. Okay, I have sells on Chief yen from the spot here, and I have also one more sell from here. Okay, so I have already protected my capital and my trades, and I'm on break even, and see how that will plays out. Okay, this will go down. Okay, at least taking that trend line. So what you can do now, let me take a look on 15-minute time frame. Okay, what you can do, you can watch for the bigger correction. If that correction will appear over there, take the trade and see how that will plays out around the trend line. If the price will be aggressive around the previous trend line, you can keep the trade. Otherwise, take it off. Euro yen. Okay, that will give you a bigger correction, but can you take the sell? Nope. If you're not into the sell from the spot right here, you cannot do anything. You will wait because the price can easily stop there, give you again a flat correction, and then it will go down. Okay, as you can see that there are many charts which are forming or preparing a bigger correction, so this is the reason why you should not be taking that sell from the spot where it is right now. Okay, so if you watch on the 15-minute time frame, what do we have there? Okay, the price can go do something like that, give you a correction over there. You will watch for that short-term sell. Price will stop there and going down, going up. Okay, but from where it is right now, you cannot do anything. Okay, the price is going down, and next bigger correction can take you out with a losing trade. So nothing. Watch it. First, watch for that correction. If that correction will appear over there, you can take that sell and see how far it will go. But I don't think that this will break the bottom and continue to downside. I see much more that this will stop there, give you a price action over there, and then it will go up. Okay, that also is my 4-hour picture. Okay, my 4-hour picture is flat, but we will see. This wave around the previous bottom will confirm what we will have over there. Okay, here's also your GBP. Okay, your GBP is quite tricky chart. Okay, so if you don't know how to trade it, wait. Okay, that's not a spot to take a buy, because you should watch for the price, how it will behave over there. Okay, I will show you what you will do. You watch if the price will go up, you will watch if the price will stop there. That will be great, you can take that sell. Okay, but sell will be only until tagging that trend line. Okay, and after tagging that trend line, you will be watching for the buy. Okay, make sense? Okay, why you should not be selling from the spot right there? Because the price can do something like that and going up, that will hit you with a losing trade. Okay, so you should be patient, patiently watch if the price will go up or it will go down from the spot where it is right now. Okay, we can just continue down, 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 and then it will stop over there, give you a price action. That will be a wonderful trade. Okay, you can watch for that buy because we will go and at least tagging that high. Okay, but we don't know at the moment how that will plays out, and all what we can do is just simply sit back, relax, and watch how that will plays out. Don't be greedy and don't take all those waves to trade, okay? Because many of you would like to take that buy, take that sell, and take that buy. No, that doesn't work like that. You can only focus on one wave. Okay, so what I will do, I'm focusing only on buy, and I will take every buy, but taking a buys from spot right there, nope, I'm not interested. Okay, that's not a good spot. Pound Aussie. Okay, pound Aussie. I took my sales with profit. Okay, I have sales from there, and I took my profit over there. Okay, I will see right now how that will plays out because daily structure is still at the top, and I want to see that this will go down. Okay, this is my almost best chart which I'm watching. Okay, there's the nice candle or nice strong candle which is forming over there, but I want to have a correction over there before that will confirm my wave to the downside. Okay, so as you can see that structurally we are totally at the top, so all what can we do is wait for the correction to confirm us that sell. Okay, so 1 hour, what do we have there? I don't see that this is the correction. That can easily go tagging the previous high once again. Okay, that's not the correction which is confirming us that we are going down. That can do something like that. Okay, if this will be a slow movement, then I will start watching for my sell. If that will go down, I will watch previous bottom, and then again one watching that high, then I will take the trade. Okay, so as you can see, for how long I will be waiting and watching that pound os before taking the trade. Okay, I will not just jump in to the trade without knowing where it is go and without being confirmed. Okay, so just simply watch it. 15 minute is also stopping over there. Okay, so that can also break up, tagging that high and then going down. Okay, make sense? I hope that is clear for every one of you, and don't be aggressive and jumping into those trades. Pound New Zealand. Okay, pound is really tricky those days to trade it. Okay, that could be a correction and we can going down, dragging that trend line, and then we are going up. Okay, if you're not skilled enough, don't take the trade. Okay, that's not clear wave. Okay, it's not confirmed yet and you should be waiting. If that will go down, you will wait for the correction like that, then you will take the trade. Okay, if that will go up, you will wait for the correction, then you will take a trade to the upside. Okay, so you'll watch for the buy setup or you'll watch for the sell setup, but you should not be aggressive over there. Okay, so that behavior here doesn't tell us too much. We need to have a correction over there. If that correction will appear over there, great, we are going down. If not, we are going up. that that sounds really funny. Okay, so yeah, patiently wait. Don't trade it if you're not skilled enough. Okay, pound cat, that one is playing out really nice, and as we can see, we are going to tagging that bottom. Okay, the price is really aggressively at the moment. Okay, and if you also watch a lower time frame, 15 minutes, okay, there was a sell setup. Okay, if you missed it, wait for another one. If that will give you another sell setup, take it and see how far it will go. Okay, at the moment I don't see any reactions for the buy, so yeah, like I said, wait for the similar correction like there. It's up, then you will take the trade to the downside. Be careful how the price will behave around previous bottom. Okay, so you will know what to do on pound cat. Pound USD, okay, price is a bit aggressive at the moment. Okay, why? Because USD is a massive index. Okay, so what you will do now, there is no buy and there is no sell. Okay, so what you will do now, you watch for the 15 minutes. What 15 minutes will give you, this is what you will be trading. Okay, that can start to reverse. Okay, then it will give you a buy setup. You can take that buy because we are going to the upside. But at the moment, can you take the sell? I don't recommend you. Okay, this is not a spot where you will be selling. Okay, if you are into the sell from the spot here, here, or here, great. Okay, you can keep those trades and move them on break even. From the spot where it is right now, you cannot trade. That's not a tradable spot, and there are no signs of reversal. Okay, lower time frame should confirm you that with a buy setup before taking that buy. Okay, that can go even lower. Okay, don't cry and don't get panic. You will watch for another correction, then you will take the buy, the sell. Okay, but I don't think that this scenario is coming. Okay, because the pound, the Great Britain has left the European Union, and I don't see that this it will behave over there. If it will behave or if that will appear over there, we will know that in a right time. Okay, but I don't see that at the moment. So like I said, wait for that correction or at least that wave to the upside. But it's not ready yet. On 5 minutes, as you can see, we are still pushing to the downside. Okay, sell setup. That can also give you a sell setup. Then we'll start to push higher, give you a buy setup, and it will go up. Okay, so your eyes are on. So like I said, it's not tradable. Pound chief, it's also not tradable. Why? Because we can going down. Okay, and this is the spot where you'll watch for your lower time frame for your buy setups. Okay, that can give you something like that, and then it will continue to the downside. Let me see a 4 hour. Yes. Okay, so you cannot take the sell. Wait. Okay, there is the place where you will move on lower time frame and see if you will get any buy setup from the spot like there. Okay, but until doesn't having that buy setup, you will not do anything. Pound yen. Okay, it's trying to push lower. Okay, it's getting aggressive. Okay, you should watch for that stop over there. Okay, if you're into the sell, great. If not, watch. Okay, there was the nice sell setup, if you see, and if you take the breakout enter, there was aggressive candle. Okay, great, you're having a nice trade, move on break even. What you can do now, nothing. As you can see, it can give you a correction if you feel comfortable. Okay, you can take the trade to the downside, great, and move on break even immediately when that will start to tagging that bottom. Okay, so this is how you can trade, but without having that correction, you cannot do anything. Okay, and after taking that bottom, you will watch for the buy. When you have the tag of that bottom, you watch for the buy. Okay, you will not be selling from the spot where they, it doesn't matter if that it will broke lower. Okay, you will ignore that sell. USD Mexican. Okay, USD Mexican, that one is the my chart, which I have missed it. Okay, why I have missed it, if I will show you, you will cry also with me. Okay, so I left it on Friday. As you can see that my alarm it's placed over there. I was watching to buy it over there, but the price has missed for a few pips, for the couple of pips, and then started to push higher. So as you can see how I missed that buy setup. Okay, but it doesn't matter. The price will give me another buy setup. Okay, the probabilities will going down, give me something like that, but I'm not interested to taking that small trade. If you feel comfortable, you can take that trade. Okay, price will go do something like that, then it will go down, give you a buy setup. Okay, and then we are going down or going up. Sorry. Okay, so you will see, but as you can see, we are on the 4 hour. Is there's the channel which is trying to form. Okay, we can stay in that channel for a couple of weeks. Okay, probably at the middle of the until the 20th of February. Okay, we're going up till Wednesday, then we'll start to going down, taking the bottom, then going up. Okay, so Watch your lower time frame. If you would like to take that sell, okay, wait for the price to tagging that high, give you a 5 minute reaction, take that sell and take off your profit. Okay, so you will know how to trade. But be careful, that Mexican can be really tricky chart. Natural gas, what you can do, don't take any sells. Price is giving a sell. Okay, but I don't think that we are going down really far. Okay, don't watch that sell. Start watching for a buy rather. Okay, that will probably going down, taking that bottom, going up. Okay, and then we will go down. Okay, or it can even completely reverse to the upside. But like I said, you will watch that buy from here and you will see how this will plays out. But at the moment, if you watch a 15 minute, okay, that can also start to push higher. Okay, give you something like that. Then you can take the sell. You're going taking the bottom, okay, and you will see. But I don't see any reasons for taking the sell. I'm not interested to sell from the bottom. Okay, if you watch for hour, okay, zoom out totally, you will see that. So as you can see that this is really risky to taking a sells on the bottom. Okay, you should rather focus on the buy on the bottom. So this is why I will not taking that sell. I will just watch it. SP500, wonderful. Okay, that has went down since previous weekly market outlook on YouTube. Okay, and what we'll do now, we will watch again for a sell. Okay, this is the 50-minute chart. Okay, at the moment we don't have nothing. Okay, we will wait for something like that, then we will take that sell. Okay, that should go down, give you a correction over there, then you will take that sell. Okay, for hour, if we will watch there, it will be a quite bigger correction. Okay, that can go something like that, and then it can go up, but I don't see that this will go up. Why? Okay, if you watch a daily, as you can see, we are structurally totally at the high end. I'm not anticipating that this it will pushing higher. Okay, simply I just don't see this scenario. I would rather watch for myself. Okay, watch that 15-minute time frame. Let's see how this it will plays out. You want to have a bit stronger candles over there, then you want to have a correction over there, then you will watch for your sell. Okay, this is how you will trade it. Should I take a buy? I do not recommend you to going for a long for a buy. Okay, that's a risky spot and you should not be a buying at the top. UK 100 similar. Okay, watch for your sells. Okay, 15-minute. Okay, we're trying to going down, so if that will give you a something like that, a correction, you can take the sell. If that it will be aggressively pushing higher, ignore it. Okay, but your wave and your direction should be as sells. Okay, watch for your sell setups, take the sell setup. UK oil, what do we have there? Okay, let's see. That sell is over. We were anticipating and we were trading that sell. Okay, it's over. So what we will do now? Okay, we will watch a lower time frame if we will have any buy setups. Okay, as you can see that we are trying to form something, we will go and tagging the bottom, then we will start to push higher. Okay, so you will see how that will plays out. Okay, but let me see. I will delete that. Okay, let me draw like that. Come on. Okay, so we'll watch for the strong reaction, correction, and then you will take the trade to the upside. Without having that, you should not be trading. Okay, at the moment, I don't like that behavior. Okay, that can going down or it can go a little bit lower, then it will go down, going up. Okay, 5 minutes. Let's see what do we have there. Okay, watch that bottom. Watch that bottom. We will see how that will plays out around there. Okay, but you should be skilled enough to take that buy. Okay, if not, don't take it. Stay away from it and rather wait for a nice buy setup. US oil, similar, as you can see that we are reacting at the moment. Okay, but that's not confirmed yet. Let me watch a 15 minutes. Yeah, it's the similar chart like UK oil. You can watch to take that buy. If not, wait for another pullback, then you will take the trade. Okay, that this scenario it's much more safer than that one. If you don't know how to trade it and if you don't have a skill with trading this, don't take that buy. Okay, it's not ready yet for you. US 30, similar as SP 500. Okay, watch for your sell setups. Okay, watch for that sell, take the trade, and you will see how that will plays out around previous bottom. That's nice trade, also as SP 500. Okay, platinum. What do we have there? Okay, so we had a really nice break of that correction. Okay, as you can see, if you take the trade, great. Okay, move on break even. I don't see that this it will continue to the downside really aggressively. Okay, that can stop there, going a little bit lower, then it will go up. Okay, but I don't see that this it will completely reverse to the downside. Okay, let me see a daily. Okay, daily doesn't show any aggressive waves to the downside. That can give us a running flat, and this it will continue to the upside. Okay, so you should be careful and you should not be a seller. Okay, it doesn't matter how many sell setups you will get there, you should not be a seller. Just simply ignore that sell. Bitcoin USD. Okay, Bitcoin was a nice sell. Okay, I take couple of sells, but based on that, I have also updated you on the trading view. You should take off your sells because we went higher. Okay, and if you watch, let me see where is my Bitcoin idea. Okay, Bitcoin, as you can see, we were watching for that correction and we take it. Okay, as you can see. Okay, we'll just zoom. So we watch that breakdown. Great, you take the trade. Okay, as you can see, we are holding. Okay, we take off our profit. Okay, we took up break even trades. So as you can see, I have shown you there, and there was also a comment, be careful with it, which I have shown you. Okay, it can break to the upside, so move on break even or watch it closely. Do not add any sells. Okay, I think that was enough clear for every one of you to not taking any sells because we had that move. Like, oh sorry, what was that? I just misclicked. Come on. Okay, that has just started to push higher. Okay, give you another buy setup, you can take that buy, but at the moment you cannot do anything. You can just simply watch for any reactions over there. Okay, at the moment there is nothing. Okay, the prices keep forming the buy. Can I take the buy? No, I do not recommend you to take the buy from there. Okay, this is not the spot where you can take the buy. Okay, I will keep you updated when the buy will be ready, but at the moment this buy is not ready. Will that go to the upside? Nope, that's not going to continue to the upside. You will not have that move. Okay, this behavior will not push the Bitcoin to the upside. Okay, so no worries. This is not ready to going up. That could be also a down move. Okay, I'm still watching for that sell. I'm still not ready to take any buys on Bitcoin for the long term. Okay, I don't see it. It's so simple. That can easily go down. Okay, as you can see, the daily structure is trying to force some correction over there, which will go down. Okay, if that will be aggressive, we can even go tagging that bottom. Okay, that will give us a daily structure. Okay, daily structure, it's really big. Okay, if you watch on a daily time frame, you will see. So what the price is doing, price can go down. Okay, we can go even lower. That will give us just a bigger correction before heading to the upside, and when that will start to go, we will see again a tagging of 18,000. Okay, so keep your eyes on. Okay, but you can take that sell after having a setups, but at the moment there is no reactions. Okay, and like I said, that will not go to the upside. Okay, I will let you know and I will keep you updated when that buy will be ready, because it will be really bad if you will not take that buy. But I mean that buy from there to going back to the top again. Okay, so there's one more Ripple. Okay, that one could be really nice if you're having a broker which doesn't have a big spread. You can watch that. Okay, that could be a nice trade, but you will see a lower time frame how that will plays out. Okay, I have already posted that trading idea, and if you know how to trade it, just watch a lower time frame to see how it will plays out. Okay, on the 15 minutes, there's nothing at the moment, and you cannot do anything. You will just simply watch it. For me, this is nothing. That's not even a buy, and that's not even a sell setup. Okay, that's all. So that's all. We are at the end of our weekly market outlook. Hope you guys that you have enjoy our weekly market outlook. Okay, and see you on the next week. So traders, have an incredible week, and see you next week on weekly market outlook. Take care, and may the profit be with you. Bye bye.